This is day 2 of Death Valley. I'm doing my skincare routine while Kevin's getting ready in the tent. Good morning!
Moshi moshi. Peace out.
With Death Valley's conditions, it's super dry, so I can't tell whether or not I'm super hot and sweating or if it's just super cold. So I was kind of tossing and turning in my sleeping bag last night. Kevin slept like a baby. We watched Maze Runner last night. Gonna try to continue that series when we get home. We're prepping to go do the Mosaic Canyon trail this morning. A lot of the trails this weekend are closed, like the Raider Trail, like the Devil's Golf Course. Okay, I think it's just super dry because I'm trying to do my skincare right here and it's like not even staying wet. I'm putting extra moisturizer on it because it's so dry out here. So me and Kevin made it to the Mosaic Canyon trailhead. This is what it looks like. I feel like I look like a little Asian mom.
Yeah.
This is my final form. There's immediately a terrain change. Look at all these smooth rocks. We've reached this giant chasm. And then we've also delayered, so having a sore throat and Kevin took off his jacket too. It's like, it's so dry here, but you're not sweating, so it doesn't feel like you're tired, but you low-key are tired. Looks like we're gonna have to do some climbing. Did our first water break too, so hopefully this is worth it. It's a 4-mile out and back hike. The views have been really good recently though. We have a group of like 12 people here. Oh dang, you got it fast. This is the canyon. The canyon. Gotta help. Thank you. We made it to the canyon. It's right there. And there's a bunch of people here, so we're taking a break. Yeah. So Kevin and I finished the hike, and we are pooped. And
I'm on this way.
And we're making lunch right now.
Getting the fire started for lunch.
This is what lunch looks like. And we have a fallen brother right there. It started raining. Beep, 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 beep. Chat, we are so absolutely cooked right now. It is raining like a motherfucker. We lost our canopy. Our canopy is dead. R.I.P. canopy. It's actually so bad. The weather said 0.05 inches of precipitation and we are getting rocked like a storm right now. There's another couple out there who is literally trying to dig a trench around their tent right now.
ass.
No, because we were playing Monopoly Deal the whole time before it started raining, and we're like, oh, it's not gonna rain, it's not gonna rain. We had to cut our canopy because the winds are so strong right now that it was blowing the canopy away. Oh. Oh. Wow. It's been 1 hour.
Oh, really?
No, I don't know. We had to trash our Easy Up because it did not survive the rainstorm. Our trunk here looks like an apocalypse hit, and now we're going to Dante's View.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I would give this trip like a solid 7.
I mean, it's fun. Like, we had a good time.
No, it was really fun.
Just minus like the last like 1 hour.
It was 1 hour of rainstorms that killed us. Like, what was that? Nice.
Sideways.
So the weather app said that it would be 0.05 inches of rain. And we're straight up just going through like flooded streets right now.
Like, the reason why I was like, in my head I was like, oh, this shit's gonna be cool, you know, it's only, this thing is like 0.05 inches, that's fucking nothing. That's like, that's not even a speck in the rain, right, you know? But, that was not 0.05. I think that was like a solid like 1.5 or an inch.
Yep.
Like what?
Yep. We just got the meanest cloud in the sky. Oh my gosh.
You get that?
Nah.
And Death Valley is not very good with water either though, because like the dirt is like, it doesn't like hold water well or something. It's like weird.
Yeah.